All right, ComSci Wizards. So I've added a couple of things to this program. So I'll show you what I would like to do. When I select something from this pull-down menu, so for example, when I run it, when I choose something from this pull-down menu, right now this pull-down menu are the paintings of Bob Ross that have bushes in them. When I choose one, for example, I will choose Rolling Hills. I want to have the season or the episode display. So I believe that is season 13, episode 1. So what I'm doing is I've taken all of the paintings in line 1, and I've taken all of the bush values, which are either 0s and 1s, but these could be cities and college leagues. It does not matter. I added the episode list. So I took all of the episodes out of the data set and put them into this episode list. And then I have a filtered paintings list and a filtered episodes list. And what I did is I went down here to my blue block, and this lines 6 through 12. And I traversed the bushes list. And if that element in the bushes list was equal to 1, I want to take that painting and stick it in the filtered paintings list, and the same episode goes in the episode list. At the same time, I wanted to set the options in that drop-down list to be equal to my filtered paintings, which you saw. Now what I want to do is when I choose something from the drop-down list, I want to sort through all of my paintings. That I think that I probably could have used filtered paintings here. I probably should have used filtered paintings. But using regular paintings is okay, because I have all of those things up here at the top anyway. I meant to use filtered paintings, but it probably does not matter. I could have used filtered paintings and then filtered episode there. But we'll use paintings. And then if paintings I is equal to that thing that's set in my drop-down menu, I want to grab the corresponding episode number and put it in the text area text. So let's see if this, let me change this to filtered paintings. And let me make this filtered paintings. And then I want this to be filtered episodes. And make sure, yep, that's all good. That's good. So let me reset this. And let's run it again, see what it does. So I'm going to make this a little bit larger so you can see it. Run. And I will choose Mountain Lake. And there it is, episode 110. Let's go to the data. I'll tell you what, I'll do this first one here. I think the Walk in the Woods, that was season 1, episode 1. And then this is season 2, episode 4. So let's go to the data. And there's Winter Mist. And sure enough, there's a 1 in the bush column. So there's bushes in that, and that is season 1, episode 4. So this is working as intended. Now, I know I am using names of paintings and whether or not they have a bush and their episode number. These things could be anything else at all. They could be cities and roller coasters. They could be presidents and states and dates they were born and dates they left office. Or they could be college teams and their league affiliations. Doesn't matter. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get all of them in here first into my code. And that way it's easier for me to refer to them. And I've set up my filtered lists. And then I'm usually traversing some lists and working through. You guys are doing great work, man. Great work. Coding's hard, but it's also very rewarding. And when you get it working the way you want it to, there's a great deal of pride. I mean, I'm proud of myself for doing this, because this is wasn't sure if I could do it right away, and I was able to sit down and think through it and make it happen. So anyway, keep plugging away, kids.